INVISICAP is the solution to the immediate need for aggressive cleaning and disinfecting in healthcare and commercial interiors. Unlike many wall finishes, INVISICAP resists repeated application of harsh chemical disinfectants, offering complete chemical protection. How does it work? INVISICAP is an invisible PVF film that can be applied to most of our industry-leading designs, allowing your wall covering to resist any cleaning and disinfecting chemicals, in any concentration. While preserving the natural look of the design. INVISICAP provides complete chemical protection, any chemical in any concentration, with no change in appearance. Clean with anything, protects from everything. INVISICAP, complete chemical protection.